How to fix Instagram app not loading or opening. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open settings and tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. Next fix for this issue is launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here scroll through and navigate to Instagram and tap on it and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear all the unnecessary bugs and cache on the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can try to simply delete the app and reinstall. So go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application. Here you will see the option for remove app. Tap on that and then tap on delete app and then tap on delete. Once deleted, open App Store and search for Instagram again and reinstall the app again. And once reinstalled, launch the app, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram app not loading or opening. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.